Your first instinct is probably to grab a tent, load up your car, and drive out to the middle of nowhere. That is a terrible idea. You'd be caught before dinner. If you take your car, traffic cameras, toll readers, and random dash cams will scan your plates almost immediately. Plus, modern cars are basically rolling cell towers. They broadcast GPS data constantly. The same goes for your phone. Turning off location services doesn't stop it from communicating with nearby towers. You can't just pull the battery out of a smartphone anymore, so your only option is to smash it and leave it on the ground.
So now you're walking. You don't have GPS and you can't buy supplies. A credit card transaction instantly gives away your coordinates, and using cash means you have to walk up to a human being who is actively trying to take your $1 billion. Getting to a remote area on foot is exhausting, but even if you make it to the woods, you aren't safe. You aren't just hiding from a few cops, you're hiding from the internet. Millions of highly motivated people are going to scrub through doorbell cameras, satellite feeds, and background footage trying to spot you.
Then come the drones. Tens of thousands of regular people own drones, and law enforcement will absolutely bring out the ones equipped with thermal imaging. A tent in the woods will glow like a beacon on a thermal camera. Even hiding under a thick canopy of trees won't stop your body heat from radiating outward. To beat thermal, you have to get underground. You need thick rock, dirt, or concrete between you and the sky. That means crawling into a storm drain, an abandoned mine, or a cave system.
Let's say you manage to find a concrete pipe to hide in. The drones fly right over you, but you still leave a physical trail. You drop thousands of dead skin cells every single minute. Tracking dogs will pick up on that scent trail even days later. You can try to throw them off by walking through a fast-moving river, but wading through deep water is going to ruin your shoes, destroy your feet, and seriously risk hypothermia.
And you still need calories. You can't just raid a dumpster behind a grocery store or steal from a farm. Every property owner, every night shift worker, and every bored kid in town wants that payout. You are completely locked out of human society. By the second week, things get really bad. You're forced to drink untreated water because building a fire to boil it would create smoke and give you away. You're starving. The paranoia is going to be the worst part. Every time you hear a branch snap or a plane fly overhead, your heart rate is going to spike because you think it's over. You can't move during the day and you're freezing at night. The reality is, 8 billion people don't need to form a giant search party to catch you. They just have to cut you off from the world and let exposure, hunger, and isolation finish the job. Surviving a month like that is practically impossible.